Be beautiful. Be timeless with our custom-made jewelry. At TYS Jewelers, we put the customer first, always. We design and manufacture pendants, rings, bracelets, necklaces, grills, and other fine jewelry accessories, with all of our custom jewelry being handmade in the USA. We take pride in pieces that will be treasured for generations. Our manufacturing process is simple. We start by taking any picture or photo you send to us. We then use the latest software technology to convert your design to a computer model that will be used to create your jewelry design. This computer design will then be sent back to you for approval. Once you accept the design, that's when the magic begins. The computer model is then loaded into our state-of-the-art machine that uses AI technology to cut the shape of your design custom jewelry with the utmost detail. Once this composite model has been built, it's then attached to a spruce. The spruce allows us to place it into a metal cylinder that will be used to make a plaster cast. Once the plaster has hardened, the plaster inside the metal cylinder is placed into a kiln. The kiln gets so hot that the wax melts away without a trace and leaves behind a perfect cast of your design. The plaster cast is then placed into a machine, which is used to pour the metal of your choosing into the plaster. These metals include gold, silver, platinum, stainless steel, among others. The next steps are to cut off the spruce and clean up the metal as we get ready to add the diamonds or other gemstones. Once this has been done, the final step is to give your jewelry a final cleaning in our ultrasonic cleaning system. Your uniquely designed, premium quality jewelry is finally ready. Treat yourself today. Send us your design now at www.TYSjewelers.com and let's get started.